Hi guys, Ashish this side. So in this video I'm going to tell you about the scholarships in Canada. Though in this video I'll be covering about 10 to 15 scholarships, but then this data will give you a clear idea on the kinds of scholarship which are available, and then you can research on your own on the basis of the courses or the universities you opt for. So with that, let's see the scholarships in Canada. So you have International Development Research Awards. The IDRC offers various scholarships for masters, PhD and postdoctoral students to fund work that will address challenges in developing countries. There are also some scholarships available to Canadian students to conduct research that will benefit the developing world. Overall, the focus here is the developing world. So the eligibility, these scholarships are open to Canadians, permanent residents of Canada and citizens of developing countries pursuing a master's or a doctoral degree at a recognized university in Canada, or who have completed a master's or doctoral degree at a recognized university. So now the awards, there are 12 scholarships available. Recipients will be awarded to 15,000 Canadian dollars depending on the scholarship. The deadline for this scholarship is September. Now next you have is York University International Student Scholarship. York University in Ontario, Canada offers the Global Leader of Tomorrow scholarships and the International Entrance Scholarship to international students for full-time undergraduate study. Now York University offers multiple scholarships that are open to international students. Recipient of the Global Leader of Tomorrow award will be receiving 80,000 Canadian dollars, 20,000 Canadian dollars each year for 4 years. Recipient of the International Entrance Scholarship will receive 1,40,000 Canadian dollars, 35,000 CAD Canadian dollars each year for 4 years, and the deadline varies depending on the scholarship. Next you have is University of British Columbia International Major Entrance Scholarship. IMES is a merit-based scholarship for students who are offered admission at University of British Columbia. The student must be on a study permit and demonstrate outstanding academic achievement. Now let's see the eligibility. So as soon as you receive an offer of admission to UBC, you will be automatically considered. So for this particular scholarship you don't need to apply. This is on the basis of your profile. Consideration is based on your demonstrated academic achievement and extracurricular environment. The award varies depending on the scholarship. Deadline is again varies depending on the scholarship. Next you have is University of Manitoba Graduate Fellowships. The government of Manitoba has provided funds to ensure that Manitoba's best students continue education at home, to foster research that leads to economic growth and to attract excellent students to study in Manitoba. So eligibility, this scholarship is open to students with a minimum GPA of 3.75 above B+ in each of the last 2 years of study at a recognized university based on a bachelor's, master's diploma or a doctoral degree. So PhD winners are awarded 18,000 CAD per year, while master's winners are awarded 14,000 CAD per year. The deadline varies depending on the scholarship. Next you have is University of Alberta scholarships. The University of Alberta offers many scholarship opportunities to undergraduate and graduate students with outstanding academic potential. They are offered more than 28 million CAD in undergraduate scholarship and financial support each year, and our graduate funding rate rank among the highest in Canada. So the eligibility for this scholarship is the student will be considered automatically for several scholarships when they are admitted to the University of Alberta. The award varies depending on the scholarship, the deadline also depending on the scholarship. Next you have is McGill University International Student Funding. The McGill recognizes the challenges international student can face when studying away from home. The Scholarship and Student Aid Office is committed to ensuring that qualified students from any geographic region are financially supported in their goals to enter and complete academic programs at the university. This page points to various funding opportunities that will support these goals. So the eligibility is these scholarships are open to undergraduate and graduate students of all nationalities who are accepted to McGill University. The award varies depending on the scholarship, and deadline is also on the varies. Next you have is Pierre Elliott Trudeau Foundation. The Pierre Elliott Trudeau Foundation offers doctoral scholarship in the humanities and social sciences field. The scholarship reward Canadian and foreign students as well as those who pursue research in the relevant fields. Trudeau scholars are outstanding students who are interested in growing in multidisciplinary learning environment and in addressing important questions for Canada and the world. So the eligibility for these scholarships are open to international doctoral candidates. Award recipients will be awarded 40,000 CAD per year for 3 years and 20,000 CAD per year for 3 years for research and travel allowance, and the deadline is December. Next you have is FinCAD Women in Finance Scholarship. So FinCAD established FinCAD Women in Finance Scholarship to support outstanding women in field of finance, especially in the field of derivatives and financial risk management. It is also designed to give women the opportunity to cultivate and share their skills. So the eligibility, this scholarship is open to women of any nationality who wish to study finance in a graduate level program. Award recipients will be awarded 10,000 USD to support their graduate level studies, and the deadline for this scholarship is June. Next you have is Warnier Canada Graduate Scholarship. This scholarship launched by the Government of Canada is designed to help well qualified doctoral students pursue their studies in renowned Canadian institutions. So the eligibility, this scholarship is open to Canadian citizens, permanent citizens of Canada and foreign citizens. Applicants will be considered on 3 equally weighted selection criteria: academic excellence, research potential and leadership. Recipients will be awarded 50,000 CAD per year for 3 years during doctoral studies. Next you have is International Council for Canadian Studies Graduate Student Scholarship. The ICCS offers 6 scholarships annually to young international scholars to spend 4 to 6 weeks at a Canadian university for research in the field of Canadian studies. Now, these scholarships are open to students in the social sciences or humanities field who are preparing for a graduate thesis or dissertation on Canada. Now, recipients will be awarded 4,000 CAD for all expenses. Deadline is November. So with this we have come to the end of the scholarship, Canada scholarships. Now you have a clear idea now on the kind of scholarships available. So you may opt in some of the scholarships which I have told you, or you can do your own research. For that we have lot of content available on this channel. If you want to explore on study abroad, be it different countries, different courses or different universities. You may also have certain queries, so I have put in the details in description on how you can contact us for your queries. I'll see you soon in some other video. Till then, stay connected.